Good morning, children. Today we are learning practice worksheet number 2. We are learning B bit today as we have finished already the A bit. Complete the sentences using may, can, or could. So, here are some of the sentences which are given, which we need to fill up with the words may, can, or could. These words are usually used to take permissions or to ask something. First one. Dash, you please pass me that book over there. So you are asking to pass the book. So the suitable word is could. Could you please pass me that book over there? Now second one. I dash swim across this pool in 5 minutes. So the word can is used to say about our capabilities. So here what the boy is saying, I dash swim across the pool in 5 minutes. So it is possible for him to swim across the pool within 5 minutes. That is can. C-A-N, can. I can swim across this pool in 5 minutes. Third one. When my father was young, he dash climb this tree in no time. So what he is saying? When my father was young, now he became older. So the boy is remembering the words when he was small about his father when he was young. He dash climb this tree in no time. No time means within a few seconds he will climb the tree. But it was of the olden days. Old, past tense. So we add could. When my father was young, he could climb this tree in no time. The tree remains same there itself. But the man become old. Fourth one. Mother said that it dash rain today. The word may we use in order to say that it will happen or it may not happen. The word may is used to say just a possibility. It may happen or not happen. So what the mother is predicting according to the weather? She is saying that it may rain today. Mother said that it may rain today. Fifth one. Dash, you beat me in the 100-meter race. Beat. Here the word beat means not to take something and beat. It means to win some competition. Suppose if 2 or 3 boys are running. So among that, if 2 boys are running, among the thing that just now we discussed about a boy and a father. Just now we discussed in the third one. Instead of that thing that we have the 2 brothers, those who are running. Brother A, brother B. So what has happened? Brother A can win over brother B. So here the same thing they are saying. He is asking. Brother B is asking to brother A, you can imagine that, dash you beat me in the 100-meter race. This is mostly might the friends ask, but here I gave you just an example of the brothers. So what? Beat means if brother A becomes first and brother B becomes second. So you can see that brother A beats brother B in 100 meters race. There we use this type of sentences. Sixth one. This puzzle dash look easy, but it is very difficult. Puzzles always look easy, but they may not be easy. So the answer is may. This puzzle may look easy, but it is very difficult. Hope that everyone understood. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.